Ready to conquer the streets of London, but need a quick and easy way to get around? Here's how to book an Uber in London, step by step. To make your London adventure a breeze, first, open the Uber app on your phone. You'll likely see a map of your current location. Tap the Where To bar at the top of the screen. This is where the magic begins. Now, start typing your destination address. As you type, Uber will generate suggestions. Select the correct address from the list, or finish typing the full address and select it. The app will then display a list of available ride options, UberX being a standard choice, and others such as comfort or even more premium options. Each option shows an estimated fare. Choose the car option that fits your budget and preferences by tapping on the selection. Next, it's time to confirm your pickup location. The app usually detects your current location automatically, but double-check that the pin on the map is accurate. If not, you can adjust it by dragging the map or typing in a different pickup address. Tap the Confirm Pickup button after you've confirmed your location. Now, check your payment method to make sure it's the one you want to use. You can usually add or edit your payment options within the Uber app settings section. The app will then show you the driver's information, including their name, car model, license plate, and estimated time of arrival or ETA. Keep an eye out for your ride as it approaches. Now, all that's left is to enjoy your ride.